Hello, I'm Kim Joeunnun from Gangnam Clinic. Many of you feel nervous before smile surgery. So today, I prepared a video to show you what you will see on the day of surgery, especially when you are lying down for the procedure. Once you lie on the surgical bed, it will automatically move toward the laser. At that moment, do not feel tense. Simply relax and look straight ahead. You will then come into contact with the equipment. As the surgical bed moves toward the laser device, you will see a green light. Please focus on that light. The laser device will gradually move closer to your eye and attach to the sclera, docking the laser with your eye. Even if the green light appears blurry at some point, do not be alarmed. Just keep looking steadily in the same direction. After the laser is finished, the surgical bed will move slightly under the microscope. Continue to look straight ahead comfortably. Next is the step where the corneal tissue is separated. During the procedure, simply follow my instructions carefully. Once both eyes are treated in this way, the surgery will be complete. Our experienced medical team will do their best to ensure the procedure goes smoothly, so there is no need to worry. Please come in and receive your surgery comfortably.